Hey, what's up developers? Welcome back to Mobile Tech Book. In this quick video, let's explore includes the array method, one of the simplest and most useful array methods in array. So what is include? Includes basically checks whether a specific value is exists in the array. So if it is there, it returns true. If it is not, it's returns false. Simple as that. So what are the common use cases? Can be maybe let's assume like check if item is in favorite list or not, or maybe check user roles are there in the array or not, detect is product is in cart or not. So those are some of the mostly used scenarios, I would say. All right, let's do it in practice. All right, I'll create an array with some numbers, maybe const favorite, and it should be a number array, so I'll make it a number. All right, and let's add numbers 1, 3, 5 simply, and let's make it let's make a const product id product id 2 3 number 3, and let's say you want to check whether this product id is there in the number array. So what do? You use the includes method to check whether it is include there. Yeah, simple as that. Const use is favor is in favorites. Okay, so we use the favorites array and we use includes. So in includes, what do? It's actually accepts search element, if you see this, and the second parameter from index. So we can basically do, we can add product id here, and let's console log this to see whether it is, to see what it prints. All right, is there. All right, is favorites. Let me run this. It's true, so the item is there. So let's assume we have a different item. Okay, no, it's not the different, it's the same thing, or not the same thing, it's different, but that is not there, so it's return false, right? So that's how it works basically. So let's do another example to make it more clear. I'll create a role array. Const roles. This time it should be a string array, and I'll create roles admin user. You have admin and user in this particular array. How you check whether the admin is there? So const is admin checks. You use the roles array and then use check whether includes, and simply you add what you're going to check. So it is admin. So let's console log this and see. Console log is admin admin. All right, so which variable should I add? This one. So what would be the result? It should show true. It's true. So let's assume you check whether it is, let's assume that you check whether the editor is there. Editor. Let's see. Yeah, editor is not there, so it returns false. All right. All right. So that's we came into the end of the quick video. So that's include super useful when you want to like just need to check whether it is yes or not kind of answer. So use that. So if this was helpful, hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next quick tech tip. Peace.